I'm Ronnie, and this is Flip Flop Nation. And today is Thursday, and guess what? We went thrifting. Hang around, check out all these good things I've got to show. All right, guys and gals, thanks for joining me today. We're going to go over everything that we picked up at the thrift stores. We'll put comps on the screen, and I'll tell you how much I spent, how much I think I'm going to make on each item, and of course, an estimated total of the whole lot, the whole kit and caboodle. All right, let's jump in. We can start with this shirt. It ain't no big deal, but hey, $1.50 for this t-shirt right here. This is a Morgan Wallen. I don't even know who that is, some kind of country singer maybe, but tie-dye, $1.50. I'm thinking we should at least get $12, $15 for that t-shirt, right? All right, next little item is this ghost here. Check him out. Crazy, right? Of course, I picked him up and I had to push the button and I saw that he moved around. I'm like, I'm gonna sell this. Of course, old senile, old eye. I mean, I thought that was supposed to be like that. Them stripes, some kid done marked on the marker. I only paid 50 cents, but even if you don't sell, which Halloween sells all year round, guys. If you don't sell, we'll keep him. But hey, at least get like $5, $10 out of this joker. I'm sure. I've seen some going for $20, but ours, well, he's not as clean as the other. All right, so let's jump into some more stuff here. A pair of brand new with tags, Wrangler jeans. These are women's. Normally I wouldn't pick up Wrangler jeans, but these are brand new with tags, so got to, right? But I checked out this. This model is the Cash Cowgirl cut, vented bootleg, boot cuts in. So I mean, hey, win-win. Brand new, $35, $40 for this pair of jeans. I'll take it all day long. All right. Here we have this pair of Page pants, jeans. Now, jeans, I think I paid like $5.75 for the jeans, but they counted these as pants. So of course, I only had to pay $4.75 for these. This is the Page Hoxton ankle jeans or pants. I love the color. I didn't even look up any comps in the store, but I've sold Page jeans before. I'm thinking at least 24, 25 maybe. So we got that. Got another pair of pants. Again, $4.75. I am thinking, look at that color. Look at that Aztec print. That's what drew me to them. I'm like, man, let's check these out. And these are what they call We the Free people. We the Free Aztec Southwestern print. Great brand. I'm thinking at least 25 for those as well. So not bad. All right, we'll finish out the pants. I picked up this pants. This is men's. Elastic waist drawstring. I thought they were joggers at first, but no. Straight leg. I'm like, corduroys in. Let me check this out. This brand here is Katin, maybe? Katin. Never heard of it. Looked them up. They sell surf wear, surf apparel. Checked it out. This is what they call their pipeline 16 well corduroy elastic waist pants. They sell for like $80, brand new. So I'm thinking used in this greatest shape, this size, I'm thinking we should at least get $25, $30 for those. Now, let's see. We'll pull out this Patagonia button-up shirt. just a, I don't know what do you call this, plaid, button up, Patagonia, lightweight, organic cotton. I am thinking all day long we should be at least get 20 bucks out of it, right? Here we go, another great brand. This is Marine Layer. Marine Layer, this is a long sleeve Henley. It's a cotton blend, very soft. 2-button Henley. I am thinking we should at least get $20, $25 for that. All right. Of course, checking out the golf shirts, and that's why I picked up this shirt right here. I saw this one, it drew my eye to it, and I liked it. It's Peter Millar. Kept it for myself though. This one here though is an Onward Reserve. It has a bear on the left chest there, little bear logo. You know, I've never heard of it, and anytime I have not heard of a brand, I always have to do some research. So I checked it out, and I'm thinking, realistically, we should be able to get $20, $25 for this polo. Normally I wouldn't pick up polos, but it's this stretchy performance material. Speaking of polos that I normally wouldn't pick up, would be Ralph Lauren cotton polos. But this one right here, guys, boom, got a hit on each chest. This one right here is the, you know, the pony, the dude playing polo. There's the pony, got the crest around it, and then you got over here, you got this crest here. I think it says Argentine or something. And then you got this 3 on the sleeve, and that's, you know, I'm like, bang, that's pretty cool. Then I'm looking at the tag, and it's definitely vintage, and it says, bang, made in the USA. Ralph Lauren, made in the USA, vintage. It's got those hits on it. 30, 35, maybe $40 for this. And our last pickup at that thrift store is this crazy pattern here. I don't know what you call that pattern. You know, let me know down in the comments, because that's something I need to figure out. More patterns and materials. That way, the more you know, the more you can charge. The better you can price your stuff, look things up. But this button up, never heard the brand. It's called Hammermade. I'm thinking with this color pattern, I am thinking $20, $25 all day long. So let's move on over to store number 2. Didn't find a whole lot at that store, the second store, but I did pick up a couple of t-shirts. Again, $1.50 each for the t-shirts. Oh, these shirts are like $4.75 each. T-shirts, $1.50. Millennium Falcon, Star Wars, and the Mandalorian Star Wars black t-shirts, 12, 15 bucks. I do have a couple extra in inventory that I'm thinking I might just lot them all together and, you know, sell all 4 of them together. Again, $1.50 and a 12.15, easy money, great looking shirts. Now, one thing I did really like finding here was this vintage sport coat. This is Pioneer Wear. See if I can find the label. Pioneer Wear, vintage Pioneer Wear. This is this Western type sport coat. It's got the cowboy yoke. It is a wool polyester blend, made in the USA. It has leather buttons on there and on the sleeve, and it has the elbow patch. Great color, great size, great looking jacket. Sure, I don't know what this fabric, what this would be called. Is it tweed? Is there a, I don't know. Either way, vintage. I'm thinking, hey, we should be able to get $45, $50 for that thing. And that was it at that store. I mean, I went in there and, you know, I'm always looking at the shoes and the stuff, and somebody beat me to it. I seen a gentleman, he had probably 10 pairs of shoes in a buggy. That's how it goes though. You know, you get what you get when you get there, right? So he got there first, he got the shoes. But I'm happy with that. Store number 3, not a whole lot in this thrift store either today, but that thrift store is where I found those, you know, those Fry boots. Yeah. So, I mean, you know, it's definitely a store I'm gonna keep going to. But I did pick up this vintage Polo Ralph Lauren, made in Hong Kong, denim. I don't know if it's a black denim or, I mean, it's heavy like a, do you call it denim? Is it chambray? I'm not sure, but beautiful, beautiful shirt. Love that, love this black wash, this faded look here, being vintage. I'm thinking we should be able to get $25, $30 for that. And our last item of the day is this beautiful pair of cowboy boots. These are ladies. It's a red leather, kind of like a square toe. Beautiful pair of cowboy boots, great size, 9.5. Wasn't familiar with the brand. These are called Old West. Looked up some. I saw some of these selling for $50. So $8.50 in the $50. I'll take it. I'll take it. So I'm thinking we spent like $67 on everything. Would have been a little higher, but again, I kept a few items myself. But what I did pull out here, 16 items, like $67, $68. Man, I'm thinking $380, $400 for everything. So not a bad day, not a bad day. Woo! There you have it, guys and gals. That's everything. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for coming back. You know, if you like what you saw, if you got any great information, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the thumbs up. Of course, hit the notification bell because we will be making more videos like this. And of course, you know, until next time, we'll be seeing ya.